This is Wild Chronicles. I'm Boyd Matson. In the summer months, Shark Bay, at the western edge of Australia's outback, is home to thousands of tiger sharks. The bay's outer reefs boast luscious coral gardens bustling with exotic life. Along the inner shallows, life is built on the world's largest bed of seagrass. These underwater pastures are the anchor in Shark Bay's food chain, and the place where tigers like to prowl. Tiger sharks are drawn to this place, and marine biologist Mike Heithouse is drawn to the tigers.
What I'm interested in is the tiger shark's role in the Shark Bay ecosystem. What's their function? How are they influencing the behavior of species like dolphins and turtles and dugongs? Got a bit of salmon head for breakfast.
Every day he sets his baits in different areas and environments, investigating where the sharks are most active. On a busy day, Mike will catch 7 sharks by lunch.
Slow down. We got one. We got one already. First line, it's tiny.
Mike doesn't want the sharks to languish on the hook. Tigers must keep swimming in order to breathe, moving oxygen-rich water across their gills.
Right now, we're going to try and tag this shark so we know we caught her or him. And if we ever catch him again, we can see how long he's been away, how much he's grown in the time away. You are out of here. Couple powerful strokes down, fade into the murk.
Heithouse has tagged more than 250 sharks in his 3-year study, one of the most intensive ever undertaken. He believes that technology can provide a window, a way into the secret world of tiger sharks. He deploys Critter Cam, developed by National Geographic. It's packed with a miniature video recorder and sensors that measure depth and temperature. The system rests against the dorsal fin, documenting the shark's travels.
We've had to use these new technologies to actually find out exactly where the sharks are.
And where the tigers often are is nosing along the bottom, where an opportunistic hunter might come across an easy meal. CritterCam reveals that the seagrass is where the tigers are often headed. It makes sense. That's where the shark's favorite prey all feed. The tiger may be waiting to ambush them from below as they surface to breed. Mike calls it bouncing, and it means the tiger mimics the movements of its prey. Its prey is as diverse and interesting as the shark itself.
Just get her upside down and nice and calm.
Mike knows because of another unusual camera the CritterCam team employs.
This is our aptly named gut cam. This is for looking down into the stomach of the shark to see what it's been eating.
Okay, we're ready to go down?
Okay, let's put lights on. In the mouth with pipe.
Okay, I see the
Going
pipe.
down with gut.
The tiger shark's stomach contains a catalog of recent meals, revealing where and when it dined. In this case, the scales that appear before the lens are the remains of a sea snake. In fact, there's very little the tigers won't eat.
Let's see, guitarfish, garfish, pufferfish, blowfish, craybait, coil of wire, plastic bag, conch shell, bag of chum, sharks, rays, seabirds, land birds, loggerhead turtle, green turtle, marine iguana, sea snake, sea crate, cats, dogs, bulls, horses, license plates, dolphin, dugong, seal, and that's not the half of it.
But the shark does have favorites. And at the top of the list is the dugong, a close relative of the American manatee. Shark Bay has 12,000 of them, one of the world's largest populations. But the dugongs graze on seagrass, and by doing so, perhaps threaten these crucial undersea pastures.
They get all the positive press. Dugongs and turtles, they're cute, and we gotta save them. They're actually kind of the enemies of the seagrass because they eat tons of it.
If the dugong population substantially increased, the foundation could crumble. But so far it hasn't. Heighthouse's research has shown that nature has a way of controlling dugongs, and it's called the tiger shark. Targeting the old, the young, the frail, the infirm, the sharks help to impose balance in these waters.
Tiger sharks are the key. They're kind of the wolves or the top predators here. If dugong and turtle populations got too large, they might overeat the seagrass and basically wipe it out. And if you wipe out the seagrass in Shark Bay, pretty much everything else is going to disappear as well.
So the tiger shark helps maintain diversity in the bay, even as it hunts its next meal. Check for Wild Chronicles on your local PBS station.
Sponsored by National Geographic Mission Programs, taking science and exploration into the new millennium.
For the best subscription offers to any National Geographic magazine, log on to nationalgeographic.com/magazines.